In this demo, you will learn to use numeric filters and DRC charts to filter DRC values within the range in the DRC browser. First, you will learn to filter DRCs within ranges using the filter cells. From the main menu, open Tools, DRC Browser. The DRC browser form opens. Navigate to the desired DRC rule list violation, for example, spacing, line 2, through pin. Click the left mouse button at the actual value cell to get a numeric filter. If you click the drop-down button in the numeric filter, you will get some conditions you can use to filter the values. The in-range option displays values in the DRC browser that are greater than or equal to the first value and less than or equal to the second value. When the in-range option is selected, the numeric filter will ask for two values. In the first cell, you have to add the range start value. In the second cell, you must enter the range end value. For example, the values added here are 2.5 and 5. The DRC browser filter will look for values greater than or equal to 2.5 and values less than or equal to 5. The DRC browser will filter the values between and equal to 2.5 and 5. Let's change the greater than equal to the value to 5 and the less than or equal to the value to 10. You can see the resultant filter values. Now, you know how to filter DRCs based on values within range. In the subsequent session, you will learn how to use charts and filter DRCs within range using the DRC browser. Select the Show DRC Chart option to visualize the DRCs as charts. The Show DRC button launches a chart that presents a graphical representation of the DRCs by DRC domain. You can change the chart type from bar to pie by selecting the drop-down list next to the chart type and choosing the pie chart. The bar chart gets updated to a pie chart. The color palette at the bottom of the DRC chart form identifies the domain by its matching color. For example, the design for fabrication DRC was identified by brown color. Keep the DRC browser window and the DRC chart parallel to each other. If you do a single click on the desired bar, say, for example, if you select the spacing DRC, you will get a category-based DRC list in the DRC browser. Navigate to the final DRC rule list line to through pin. Parallelly, the DRC browser will also get updated with the DRC violation list related to that rule. You can filter the DRCs using the charts. The increment option sets the x-axis increment value. Set the increment value units to the value you want to chart the DRCs. The value is changed to 0.5. Now, you can see the graph is incremented with values of 0.5. Select the values range bar you're interested in. You can see the filter ranges are changing further. In the DRC browser actual cell, you can see the in-range values filter is getting updated. If you want to filter more, change the range you need. Now, you can cross-probe and clear the errors in the DRC list. You can also use the breadcrumb navigation path to reach the main DRC domain. This concludes the demo filtering DRCs based on values within range and chart using the DRC browser.